Wanna know how to block someone in Mobile Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, what you need to do is simply open up your Mobile Legends application, and once you're there, on the right side, you can see this icon right here that is right below your friend list. So simply select it, and once you've selected that, right here you can see your friend's profile with various following and followers available. And you can just simply select any one of these from the left side and just simply open up the profile first. So just simply select the profile and then select the profile again. And then once you're in the profile, right here you can see followed. So you need to unfollow first, but before that you need to simply select or copy the username. And once that is done, just simply select unfollow and then select OK. And now once that is done, just simply head towards add friends icon right here. I'll just simply choose their ID, select OK, and then ID search for it too. Or you can just name search. Right here you can see the ID's name, so you can just simply select it and select this menu icon right here on the left side. So once you've done that, right here you can see this block or blacklist icon. Just simply select it again and then select OK. And that's it. After that is done, your player has been successfully added to blacklist. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.